Welcome back, everyone, and just like I promised, got my hands on a 3090. This is actually an open box. The person that bought it was actually looking for the EVGA, but they bought this for as a stopover, and then I was able to get my hands on it today. These are actually $25.99 from the Zotac store with shipping on top. And this is the Holo Black, 24 gigabytes of RAM. And this should be a massive card like the 3080 Ti that I showed you, which took up 3 slots. But this is a previous Zotac model, which was the biggest up until these new cards. This is the 1070i Extreme Amp. Obviously, this is a huge card. And this was the biggest card up until the 3080 Ti for Zotac. So I'm going to compare to see how big it is. Hopefully it's the same size as that, because the 80 Ti is just massive. It takes up 3 slots completely, and you can't put anything under it because it just causes so much heat. So you basically are using your whole computer up just for one card. So that's why I picked up this 90 also for video editing, but I did not want it to take up the whole computer case. So let's see what comes in the box. I believe the power is going to be a little bit more than 400 watts, if I recall. Let me check the box. It doesn't say, actually. So let's actually which way does this open? The Zotac logo. That's actually really cool. Okay, let's try to get this open. Alright, let's actually... Alright, let me show you guys how it actually comes in this box. Let me take this off the camera mount. And there it is. This must be a spare fan connector for the actual onboard fan. So let's get the card out. Then let's actually inspect it and see what we are getting and see how big this card really is. I'm hoping it's not a 3-slot card. And Zotac on their website has been saying that it's not. Same with the 80 Ti though. They said it was a 2.75, which it was a lie. Okay, beautiful. Okay, this thing is actually, I think, a little... Ooh. 3 pins there, there it is, yep. That actually is beautiful. The power boost. Look at that, look at over there. So it just sucks in air to cool this down. Actually, something could plug into here. There's... Nice clean card, so open box. Look at that, guys. And let's see what we got for connections. Display port, and we got 1 HDMI port. That's nice. At least they got give me the HDMI port for people that are not running DisplayPort screens. But there's no need for you to actually buy a card like this if you don't. All right. Well, let's compare this. So it is almost the same size, I would say. Look at that. Let's see if we can get something to judge it. We got a Mercedes-Benz key here. So it's... Oh, I would say they're almost the same height. It's beautiful. Actually, this is... And obviously, just like the 1070 Ti, you can SLI bridge these. But I would consider having a power supply over 1200 watts. But let's put this puppy in, and I will also do videos on Ethereum mining, Kapow, and we'll also do a Grand Theft Auto. We'll see how it works with that. But 24 gigabytes RAM, it's going to be great for anything from video work, 3D lab work, deep learning, anything that you need all that RAM for. So let's get this in and see how it does.